Hello and welcome to a new video. This is another video of something I have bought. It's an unboxing, and you can see the new hat here with the logo on it and the dog barking outside. And you can pick up this hat on Zazzle. I'll give the link down below, and there's also a t-shirt there as well. So yeah, I got the Mavic Pro 2. Yeah, I've been wanting a drone for ages, and I decided just to bite the bullet and get one. So that's what I done. So without further ado, we're gonna get it open and unbox it.
Please remember, if you do want to see more content like this and other stuff I film, please hit that subscribe button and remember to hit these notifications. And you can either hit all, personalize, or none, but I would recommend all.
Just before it does get opened, I'm just going to get this tripod out of the way. I mean, you can still see them, but yeah. So this is the Mavic Pro 2. Oh, so it pulls this way. Nice box. I do have the Fly More combo coming as well. Right, there's a peel to open bit there, so you can see that there. And oh, right, there we go. So big test if I can get my phone in the controller here, but two boxes here. Right, let's just look at this. Just now, this is the controller there, some stickers there, and there's like bits there, the antennas, and this, I believe these pull down to allow you to put your phone so you can actually watch what's going on in the drone. Self-explanatory power charging capabilities there. This one I believe will be the USB-C. There are different adapters for your different phones. So it just allows you to not. It's set up for. I believe it's set up for iPhone, but because I'm an Android user, we'll have to change this. But you can see them there, and then you've got a couple of don't know what this is actually. 1 second. Try not to drop anything on the drone itself. Well, these are the remote sticks for the thing, and there's like a USB. It's like a USB thing here as well. I'll open it. Right. So that's. Is there anything else we can take out before the drone? Oh, this thing here. The propellers. I think you get 6 of them, so 2 spare in case they break. Instructions. Okay, I think that's everything, so let's take the drone out itself. So it's got quite a nice weight to it. And the gimbal protector and the drone thing with the sensor, the sensors and all that, and these kind of just fold out like so. Feels quite robust. Battery there. Yeah. Feels quite nice. So yeah, got to get this charged up, get it all set up, and see how to use it, have a first flight, see what happens, and hopefully don't crash it or lose it. It's got a nice wee bit of weight to it as well, so hopefully it shouldn't get blown away too easy. Unlike the first drone I ever had, which was just a cheap £25 thing. I think this cost me about £1,300 plus the £300 for the Fly More combo, which gives you additional batteries, etc. But anyway, if you did like this video, please hit that like button, hit the comments down below. I would get people back. I always reply to people when they comment, and hit the subscribe button with the little notification bell. And I will catch you in the next video. Peace.